Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the place to your wish list in the VisitACity application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and click on a destination that you would like to visit. So for example, Rome. And if you scroll down and you will find the things to do section, and if you find an appealing program among this, like the small group Vatican museums, click on that. And there's a heart button at the top of the page on the right, so just click on that. And once this heart is turned black, it means that this program, this place, is added to your wish list. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.